Escape to the country to find this spectacular home on 15 acres with a 60x100 pole barn. This custom-built home features a metal roof, open floor plan, waterproof flooring, huge living room with gas fireplace, 2 bonus rooms, office/library and sunroom/den already plumbed to add a wet bar, large laundry room with a half bathroom and instant hot water heater with individual shut-offs, dining area with a window seat, a cook-string kitchen with tons of cabinets, walk-in pantry, granite countertops, farmhouse sink, 6-burner plus griddle, commercial gas stove, commercial vent hood, ultra-quiet dishwasher, built-in microwave, island, and breakfast bar. Spacious bedrooms, all with en-suites and walk-in closets. Gigantic owner's suite boasts a walk-in closet with built-ins, walk-in jacuzzi tub, separate ceramic tile shower, and his/her sinks. All this plus garden areas, chicken coop, pig pen, potting shed with well, and 60x100 pole barn with foam insulation, and features an office, extra room upstairs, PUI system for working on equipment, 2 huge doors on each end, and a roll-up door on the side. What are you waiting for? Call